Okay, here we go again. Volume, something. I don't know. I'll write it down. Anyway, this is in a box. This one right here. It's above my window. So right there are those, and then I made this shelf above the window. So, got those. Then from there, I have these train box carts. Carts? Are they called box carts? What are they called? Anyway, trains in a box. Those are the two most common ones. The engine and the caboose are are the hardest ones to find. And then everybody wants the yellow submarine one. So I think that's the one that people want the most of, I think. That's all I have though. Okay, here's the last two boxes on this shelf. The two George Harrison CD box collection. I keep them up here. Okay, the next one I'm going to do will be my last box one, which is I've been saving for last on purpose. Okay, thanks a lot, you guys. See you later.